Let's talk about the best foods to regenerate stem cells. First, we need to understand what are stem cells and why do we need them. Well, stem cells are the raw materials for your body. All of your tissues and organs have stem cells that are responsible for generating new cells to replace old or dying cells. But unfortunately, as we age, our stem cell supply starts to diminish and the quality of our stem cells also starts to decline. This contributes to tissue and organ dysfunction, and it accelerates the aging process. So it's important to do what we can to support our stem cells. And fortunately, there are certain foods that are very effective at this. The first food on my list is bone broth. Bone broth is rich in gelatin and collagen, which are essential for maintaining the health of your stem cells. A lack of collagen has been shown to reduce the ability of stem cells to self-renew, and it reduces their ability to differentiate into various tissues. Now you can get collagen from other sources, but it's easy to get it from bone broth. Another compound found in bone broth called glycine has been shown to protect stem cells from oxidative damage, and it promotes their survival. Now you can just drink the bone broth, or you can use it as a base for soups or sauces, or you can even use it in place of water when making your rice or your pasta. The next food on my list is garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to stimulate the growth and development of new blood vessels. This is important because one of the things that can impair stem cell function is a lack of oxygen and nutrients due to insufficient blood supply. So garlic can help to ensure that your stem cells have the blood supply they need to thrive. Garlic also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help to protect your stem cells from damage. The third food on my list is turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that is commonly used in Indian cuisine. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to enhance the growth and the survival of stem cells. Curcumin does this by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, and by modulating certain signaling pathways that regulate stem cell behavior, in addition to its effects on stem cells. Curcumin also has other health benefits such as reducing joint pain and inflammation, improving brain function and memory, and supporting a healthy immune system. You can use turmeric in many different recipes, such as curries, stir-fries, and soups, or you can simply add it to your food, or you can take it in supplement form. Number 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a healthy fat that is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid. This type of fat has been shown to improve the function of stem cells in several tissues, including the brain, the gut, and the skin. Olive oil also contains a variety of other compounds such as polyphenols and carotenoids that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and they can help to protect your stem cells from damage. And number 5. Avocados. Avocados are a good source of healthy monounsaturated fats, which, as I mentioned, can help to improve stem cell function. They are also a great source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that can help to protect your stem cells from oxidative damage. In addition, avocados contain various phytosterols, which are compounds that have been shown to promote the growth and development of new blood vessels. This can help to ensure that your stem cells have the nutrients and oxygen they need to survive. So in summary, if you want to support your stem cells and improve your overall health, try incorporating these 5 foods into your diet. Remember, a healthy diet is not about restriction or deprivation. It's about adding more nutrient-dense foods to your diet. So enjoy these delicious and nutritious foods and reap the benefits for your stem cells and your overall health.